Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the RemoteLance Console app. RemoteLance is a lightweight console application designed for remote access to Windows computers on the same network. Thanks to this invisible server process and stealthy features, it is the ideal remote access tool for administrators who need to manage a large network of computers without interference on the client side. RemoteLance setup is very simple and only takes a few seconds. Simply download and run our RemoteLance server executable on every computer you wish to connect to. The server runs as a background process and won't appear on the screen. After starting the RemoteLance servers, open the client application on your personal computer or Windows account. Enter your product key on the console to activate it, and you're ready to begin. Open a connection to any computer running the RemoteLance server by entering its IP address. Once connected, you can run several commands and control the actions of your remote computer. To see a list of commands, type help and press enter. You can send message alerts directly to remote computers using the right command. Set timers for remote scheduled shutdowns with the shutdown command. Scheduled restarts can be set in the same manner. Type cmd and any Windows command to run it on the remote machine. For security reasons, the output from this command will not be returned. To make the RemoteLance server persistent so you can reconnect after shutdowns or restarts, type startup. This will add the RemoteLance server application to your connected computer startup folder. It will run on every startup. Downloading an online file is as simple as typing download and then the URL of your file. The file will automatically download onto the same directory as the RemoteLance server and can be opened remotely via the cmd command. Encrypt entire directories or individual files using the encrypt command. This command will run you through a series of inputs prompting you for a key and other encryption information. Repeat this process with the decrypt command using the same information to undo encryption. It is your responsibility to store your encryption data and key. Attempting to decrypt files without this information will likely result in file corruption. Exit the client program without closing the server connection by entering the exit command or close. Finally, terminate a running RemoteLance server on any connected computer by typing kill or terminate. You will no longer be able to connect to this computer using RemoteLance until the server application is reopened. If you are interested in trying RemoteLance yourself, check the link in the description. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and info on our upcoming products.